Is your drive constantly filling up, even when you have not installed anything new? You run cleanup tools and empty the recycle bin, yet gigabytes of storage still seem to disappear into thin air. Microsoft does not usually highlight this, but deep inside your C drive is a hidden folder called WinSxS, the Windows side-by-side component store. It stores backup versions of Windows system files and updates, so Windows can roll back changes if something goes wrong. Over time, this folder can grow significantly, sometimes taking up 20 gigabytes or more, but never manually delete files from the WinSxS folder. Doing that can seriously damage Windows and cause system problems. Instead, I will show you how to safely clean it using Windows' built-in DISM tool and other native cleanup utilities. And these methods work on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let us jump in. First, we need administrator access to work with Windows system components. Open the Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator, and click Yes when Windows asks for permission. Before cleaning anything, let us check the actual size and health of the WinSxS component store. I have placed all the commands in the description below, so you can easily copy and paste them. Copy the first analysis command from the description, paste it into Command Prompt, and press Enter. This command analyzes the WinSxS component store, calculates the space being used, and tells us whether Windows recommends a cleanup. Here is my result. Windows Explorer reports about 17.89 gigabytes, but 8.86 gigabytes are associated with old component backups and disabled features. At the bottom, Windows reports 9 reclaimable packages and shows component store cleanup recommended. Yes, that means we have almost 9 gigabytes that can potentially be reclaimed. Now, let us safely clean it up. Copy the second command from the description, paste it into Command Prompt, and press Enter. This command removes older component versions that have been replaced by newer updates. Windows handles the cleanup through its official system servicing process, so you do not have to manually delete anything. Do not panic. If the progress stays at 10% or 20% for a while, that is normal. The cleanup can take some time while Windows processes the component store. Just let it finish and reach 100%. Now, if you want to recover even more space, especially when Windows reports multiple reclaimable packages, there is one more command you can use. But before you run this command, there is an important warning. This command permanently resets the Windows component store baseline. After running it, you will no longer be able to uninstall previous Windows updates. So, if you recently installed a Windows update, or your PC is having problems after an update, skip this command. Only continue if your PC is running smoothly, and you are confident that you will not need to roll back a previous update. If you are ready, copy the third command from the description, paste it into Command Prompt, and press Enter. Windows will then clean up the superseded component versions and make the current component state the new baseline. This can help recover additional storage. But remember, the cleanup is permanent. DISM cleans the Windows component store, but other Windows cleanup files can still remain on your C drive. So, let us finish with Windows Disk Cleanup. Press the Windows key plus R, type Cleanmgr, and press Enter. Select your C drive, and click OK. When Disk Cleanup opens, click Cleanup System Files. Select the C drive again, and click OK. Look for items such as Windows Update Cleanup, Temporary Files, and Delivery Optimization Files. Select the items you want to remove. Then click OK. Finally, click Delete Files to confirm. Windows will now remove the selected temporary and update-related files. Once the cleanup is finished, let us run the analysis command one more time and check the final result. As you can see, the actual WinSxS component store is now 11.30 gigabytes. At the beginning of this process, it was 16.62 gigabytes. That means we have reduced component store by approximately 5.32 gigabytes. Number of reclaimable packages has also dropped from 9 to 2. Windows still reports 2 reclaimable packages. Some components may still be retained by Windows for servicing or system functionality. The important thing is, we safely recovered over 5 gigabytes without manually deleting anything from the WinSxS folder. If this guide helped you free up storage, hit the like button, subscribe for more practical Windows guides, and let me know in the comments how much space you recovered. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.